If I told you that you could completely transform your body after 50 without ever stepping into a gym, would you believe me? No machines, no weights, no fancy memberships, just 3 simple moves you can do right in your living room. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. These 3 exercises have been quietly helping people rebuild lost strength, melt away stiffness, and feel years younger. They're simple, yet shockingly powerful. So before you think age is slowing you down, stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll see how your body can still change in ways you never imagined. A 62-year-old man once told me he struggled just to get out of a chair. His legs felt weak, his knees hurt, and every step felt heavier than the last. But after just a few weeks of this powerful move, the squat, everything changed. He didn't just strengthen his legs, he rebuilt his confidence, balance, and independence. The squat isn't just an exercise, it's a youth-preserving movement backed by science. Studies show that squats activate more than 200 muscles at once, improve joint health, and even boost hormones that slow down aging. When you squat, you're training your body for life. Standing, walking, lifting, climbing, movements you'll need forever. You don't need a gym, weights, or machines. Just your body and gravity. Start small. Use a chair for support, keep your feet grounded, lower slowly, and rise with control. Each rep fires up your metabolism, strengthens your bones, and protects your knees from pain. So next time you think, I'm too old for this, remember, it's never too late to squat your way back to strength, confidence, and vitality. Because true fitness after 50 isn't about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters. Let me share something powerful. A 58-year-old woman once told me her back hurt so much she could barely stand straight. She tried stretches, massages, even pain pills, but nothing worked long term. Then she discovered the plank. Within weeks, her pain faded, her posture improved, and she felt stronger than she had in years. The plank might look simple, but it's one of the most transformative exercises for anyone over 50. Research shows it strengthens your back, shoulders, and stabilizing muscles all at once. It trains your body to work as one unit, improving balance, reducing injury risk, and boosting energy. When you hold a plank, you're not just building strength, you're rebuilding stability and confidence from the inside out. It supports your spine, protects your joints, and even enhances digestion and breathing by activating deep abdominal muscles. You don't need to start on the floor. Begin on your knees or against a wall. Focus on your breathing and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Slowly increase the time as your strength grows. The plank is more than an exercise. It's a message to your body. I'm still strong. I'm still capable. Age doesn't define your limits. Your mindset does. A 55-year-old man once told me he couldn't do a single push-up. His arms trembled, his chest felt weak, and he believed strength was something only for younger people. But within a few weeks of consistent practice, everything changed. His posture improved, his upper body grew stronger, and he said, I feel like I've turned back time. The push-up isn't just an old-school move. It's one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever studied. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your heart. Research shows that people who can perform push-ups regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and better muscle endurance. You don't need to drop to the floor on day one. Start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups, focusing on form, control, and breathing. Keep your body straight, core tight, and lower yourself slowly. Feel every muscle engage. Each rep builds real-world strength you'll feel in daily life. From lifting groceries to pushing open doors. And beyond the physical, it builds mental toughness. Every push-up says, I'm not giving up on myself. No machines, no excuses, just your body proving that strength doesn't fade with age. It grows when you decide to reclaim it. Here's a simple weekly plan to transform your body after 50. No gym, no equipment needed. Do on squats, push-ups, and planks, 3 to 4 days a week. Start with 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps each, or 20 to 30 seconds for planks, and rest a minute between sets. Take rest days for recovery and light walking or stretching. Focus on form, not speed. Stay hydrated, sleep well, and eat protein-rich meals to support muscle growth. Track your progress weekly and increase intensity slowly. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Small daily effort creates powerful long-term results no matter your age or fitness level.